Your first hour or first 2 hours of the day when you are waking up is strictly yours. So do not waste it, take advantage of it and shape your life. The way you treat that hour or those hours tells your body, your brain, your soul, whether this day matters or not. The minute you wake up, the first thing you do is like uthatha ifone yakho and try to check back kwenzeka ntoni ku-social media or check i-messages zakho. The minute you come across ku-message ezaku disturb mentally, then that simply means imini yakho ayizobanhle wena. Or the minute you come across indaba ze-social media ezingekho right, mhlawumbe izinto ezibuhlungu ezenzekileyo ebantwini, uzawuthi uvuka nje wena inhliziyo yakho seyingekho right. But the minute uthi uvuka uthathe la ncwadi ubhala kuyo izinto zakho ufuna uzi-achieve, okanye uthathe la ncwadi le uyazi into yokuba ngabana kukho i-task obuyenza ungakhange uyigqibe izolo, ugqibezele la task le iza kwenza ube ngulo muntu ufuna uba nguye ngomso. Is the minute uzathi xa sowuvuka ke okwapha ezingubeni uvuka uphuma endlini, uphuma with a productive mindset because uthe uvuka nje wenza into productive, you understand? So that first or those first 2 hours of your day when you wake up are strictly yours. Make sure you are building yourself with those first 2 hours, because Jebu communicator with your mind, you are communicating with your mind on a clean slate. It's a new day, so that's a clean slate for you. So the first thing to record on your clean slate, make sure it's very productive to shape your life, you understand? So by winning the morning, you win the entire day. The first things that you do when you first wake up in the morning, make sure they are productive and they are getting you closer to where you want to be tomorrow, you understand? That's just how it is, man. Exercise, read productive books that will help you grow your way of thinking. Finish up those projects of yours, the minute you finish them, uzoba grand, you understand? That's just how it is, man. Forget about indaba zemisebenzi, boss bakho nantoni. Those first 2 hours or that first 1 hour must be strictly yours. Do something ezawukhulisa wena, not uboss wakho or whatsoever. Wena namaphupha wakho, you understand? That's just how it is, man. One love.